Hey, I want to ask you something honest. How long have you been thinking about starting? A week, a month, maybe longer. And every time you get close, something stops you. Not your phone, not your schedule, something inside you. And that thing has a name. It is called fear. And today we are going to talk about it. Because nobody in this space talk about it honestly enough. Let me tell you something about me that I don't think I've said out loud. Before I posted my first video, I sat with my phone in my hand for 20 minutes, just staring at the record button. I kept thinking, what if nobody watches? What if people laugh? What if I say the wrong thing and everyone sees it? And you know what I did? I put the phone down. I told myself I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow came and the same thing happened. It took me longer than I want to admit to finally press record. And when I did, the video wasn't perfect. The lighting wasn't right. I stumbled over my words, but it went up. And that one moment of pressing post changed everything. Because here's what I learned. Courage isn't the absence of fear. Courage is pressing record anyway. Here's what nobody tells you about fear when it comes to creating content. Fear doesn't go away when you are ready. Fear only goes away when you act. You've been waiting to feel ready, but ready is not a feeling, it is a decision. Every creator you look up to right now, the ones with 100k, 500k, a million subscribers, they were terrified on day one. The difference between them and everyone else is simple. They posted scared. So let me give you three things that helped me and I want you to use today. First, video perfect. Your first video only job is to exist. That it doesn't need great lighting, it doesn't need a script. It just needs to be posted. Give yourself permission to be bad at the start because every expert was once a beginner who simply refused to quit. Step 2, set a 24-hour deadline, not next week, not when you feel ready. Pick one idea right now, just one, and give yourself 24 hours to post it. Tell someone about it so you are accountable. Tell me in the comments when there is a deadline. Tell me in the comments when there is a deadline, fear has less room to live. And 3, remember why you started. You didn't decide to create content for no reason. There's something you want, an audience, a community, financial freedom, or a voice. Write that reason down and put it somewhere. Put it somewhere you can see it. Because on the days when fear comes back, and it will come back, that reason is what keeps you pressing record. I'm going to be real with you for one more second. I still feel fear sometimes because I film before I post. Before I try something new on this channel, there's a moment where I wonder if it's worth it. And then I think about you, the Jovexian watching this right now, who hasn't posted yet. The one sitting with their phone in hand the same way I did. I post for you because if me showing up scared gives you the push to show up, every moment is really worth it. You don't need to be fearless. Drop a comment right now and tell me what's the one thing that's been stopping you from starting. I read every single comment, I reply, and your answer might just become my next video. If this helped you, subscribe, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. I'm Coach Jovex and I will see you in the next video.